Good morning, happy Friday. Once again, welcome back to Dayak Wanderer. Today we are embarking on two hikes. First one here is the Bung Tramuok at Kampung Stass, and then after this one we should be taking about 1 hour back and forth, and then we're off to Bung Jagoi for the second hike today. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on this channel, and if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button, and of course, if you like the content, share it with your other people. So we'll be hiking very soon.
Ayoko nulis. Ayoko nulis. Hindi kinabalo ng nampak.
Starting our hike 8:15. Bung Tramuok. Tramuok in the Dayak language is picture plant. Yep, Dayak bau. Kamin distance up down. Ai. About 60 degrees, almost to the summit. Macam tu tinggi. Wah. Betul. 20 minutes. Yeah. So off to the second viewpoint, Bung Tramuok, such a lovely small hill to hike. Very nice, cantik. Cantik viewpoint. Okey, pergi mana lagi?
Kita pergi ke hatimu. Salah. Ke Bung
Bung
Jagoi.
Jagoi.
Second Bung attack.
Sekarang dah pukul
9.10.
9.10.
Okey.
Masuk ke dalam tu.
9.10.
Kalian tu nak kau tinggalkan aku.
Alright, just arrived Bung Jagoi Heritage Center, registered, and this is our second hike today, Bung Jagoi.
Ami bayu.
10:16, second peak today, Bung Jagoi. For some of us, it's a repeat for me, my second time, and we're with a bunch of cigu-cigu. Yeah. So estimate hike time 1 hour 30 minutes. Hello. Morning. 25 minutes into the hike. Not bad. Early was a bit steep. Now it's a slow climb. So great to be back in the forest of Bung Jagoi. So the story is, we are hiking to the original settlement of the Jagoi people up here, and then I think it was in the late 80s, early 90s, then everybody moved down from the hill and settled down all around Bung Jagoi. So that's the history behind Bung Jagoi. Check it out. Beautiful wonders of nature.
No comment.
No comment?
No comment.
Okay.
Aduh.
Aduh, bincang sen.
Ya.
Hilang kata-kata,
Ya.
Biar hati saja berbicara.
Ya.
menghayati keindahan alam ciptaan Tuhan.
Sampai ais layarnya, jangan ganggu ya.
One hour 15 minutes from starting point. Now reach the original Jagoi village. Yep. So villagers stayed here till 1992. Only then they moved down to the foothills of Bung Jagoi. So at the moment this village is being used for church camps, church retreats, youth camps and so forth. Okay guys?
Okay guys.
Okay guys.
Baruk. Now off to the chapel and then to viewing point. About 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So 11:40. This is the chapel, so you can donate generously whatever amount, no problem. The only thing, no QR code, ah. On to the summit. Bung Jagoi, 357 meters above sea level. Whew. 1.5 hours from foothill. So now moving on to a viewpoint.